Okay, can you introduce yourself, please?
I'm Joe Henderson-Tan.
Okay, can you talk me through, now we're going to do a bit of setting up RF mics or lapel mics or radio mics, or whatever you want to call them. Can you talk me through, we're in the sound, can you talk me through where we are now?
Yeah, we're in the control room for the theatre at the MAC in Birmingham.
And let's do some instant things. What safety requirements or sort of thinkings do you need to have a think about when here today?
Well, we want to make sure we've got no hazards, which is of course things you might trip over. I can't really think of that many for an RF mic. I want to make sure there's nothing that can catch or...
How's the desk today? Do we need to clear anything out of the way?
Yeah, we do.
How about working on a sound desk? What safety things do you need to have a think about there? What safety considerations?
Make sure you've got no liquids to pour on the electrics. And again, with the cables, we'll make sure you're not tripping over anything, so that's quite nice and tidy at the back. I'll leave that now.
How about on the floor and things?
Yeah, no tripping hazards. Again. So I'm going to use this.
Okay. So talk me through this piece of equipment here and what it's used for and how you use it.
This is a Lavalier mic.
Say that again, sorry, I might have just missed
So it's a Lavalier mic.
Yep.
A lapel mic. And it's a wireless microphone that clips on. And you can have the microphone bit up there and the receiver, the sending piece will usually be clipped to your belt somewhere and battery operated.
Where's it used? When's it used?
Any situation where you don't require a handheld mic, so singers, conferences, TV even sometimes.
How about theatre performances? Do the actors not wear them?
They do. There's a lot of musical theatre use lapel mics, and some actors as well. But not that many theatre companies even bother with microphones.
Just shout.
Yeah, they just project themselves.
So is there any safety aspects that we need to consider? I mean, just there you've put the box quite tidy away, isn't there? There's lots of bits, isn't there?
Yeah. Nothing that can put, you want to make sure that you don't cause a risk to anyone, a health risk. And you also don't want to cause a risk of damage to the equipment as well. So you want to make sure you're not balancing things on the edge of tables.
So talk me through what this piece of equipment is.
That's the receiver system for the microphone, and that operates on a high, ultra high frequency band. I don't know which one it is because there are lots of them, but yeah.
Are they linked to the mic? I assume somebody's
Yeah.
gone through and programmed them all. How many can this desk hold?
It can hold two.
Oh right, okay.
2-channel receiver. The actual desk, sorry.
Yeah, I meant that, but that's fine. I
The
understand.
desk can take about 200 channels, but we've only got 32 inputs from stage.
So what are you doing there?
I'm putting antennas on, or aerials, which will hopefully help it to pick up, the radio waves a bit easier.
Do you need to angle them in any certain way to make them work?
No, I just tend to put them in the air because it's better than being on the ground, and I have no reason for doing it.
Okay. In a small venue like this, it wouldn't make a difference, but
Yeah.
you do want them pointing up usually. Okay, keep talking us through what you're doing.
Now I'm getting out the transmitter pack, which is this.
Yeah.
The actual microphone.
What things do you need to check on the microphone to make sure that it's working?
You want to connect. You want to check that there's no actual damage to the cable. So it's basically one in one piece. And then you want to plug it in and power it on, and check that it shows that you've got some sort of audio coming in. One, two. So that green light, when I speak into this green light, you can see that it's picking up audio. So that's how you know it works.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to put this on me now. I'm going to try and do it in the safest way possible. So I'll just find any pocket or belts to put on, and then we try and keep them quite tight. Now there's a bit I missed out. This doesn't actually have a clip on it, so I can't use it. I'm going to have to report that. But let's just roll with it. Anyway.
What are the reporting systems? How would you report something like that?
You can write it in a document which people check and managers check, or you can just directly tell your manager. So I'll probably do that. But for now, I'll just put it about here, and you can see when I turn, it's not gonna, it's not gonna catch or anything or be too tight, but it's not really. Well, it would ideally go underneath your t-shirt or whatever you're wearing. So
okay.
it's quite. And then, so I'll just take this off for now, and to connect this up to the desk.
What's that?
That's an XLR cable. It sends out a balanced signal, which helps to reduce interference. It does it by sending two signals which are phased instead of